Hey everyone, Chris here back from Moore's Jewelers. Today we have a Deloris pendant we helped design for a client's customer in Georgia. The pendant is about 3.5 inches long and just a hair under an inch high. In total, this piece will be set with 98 2.5mm round diamonds, or about 5 carats in total weight. This is definitely a piece that falls under the bling or iced category. It will no doubt be a conversation starter while being worn. In this piece, the diamonds are prong set in a faux channel, allowing them to be the main focal point. The gold border that surrounds the diamonds helps accentuate and outline the lettering in the name. In this case, the pendant is going to be cast in white gold. Once cast, the way the pendant will be set is a jump ring will be added on each end and a chain will be soldered to each jump ring. From there, the chain will be measured on the customer to get the length they are looking for, and a clasp will be added at the top. If you are looking to have something custom made, feel free to contact us over at mooresjewelers.com, or for anything else, feel free to leave us a comment. We are always more than happy to help in any way. Thanks for watching.